I wanted to show you guys this amazing 2021 Toyota Corolla Hatchback Special Edition in Supersonic Red. Just came out, got off the truck, so hope you like. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Brand new 2021 Corolla Hatchback Special Edition. Notice the nice LEDs. It's got this blacked out body kit as well, LED projectors. Still got the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 with the pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, black machine alloyed wheels. You got these black rocker panels. Look at the black spoiler here, standard mirrors. You got your Monroney label. Really like these tires. They're just sporty looking. And again, you get more of this black accented with special edition badging. Backup camera, obviously. Not sure if this is unlocked. This one does have the all-weather mats. Nice little tonneau cover to cover up, keep everything private. I like the mat though. LED tail lights as well. That looks really good. This Supersonic Red just pops. Rear passenger area, obviously. You do have the outlet here, which I love that. More all-weather mats. Inside, regular seating, power windows and door locks. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which I love that. You do have the Apple CarPlay on-tune display. Brake hold, one of my favorite features, electronic parking brake, sport mode. You also have these wonderful paddle shifters, which are super fun to play with. All your TSS settings. You can see here, you're able to adjust everything. Lane trace assist, pre-collision system. It actually detects the road signs, some more settings. Love this too. You're actually able to set the cruise, adjust how many car lengths you want to be from the vehicle in front of you. And of course, Toyota's all about safety, so you got your SOS Safety Connect. Again, this vehicle comes with 4 years, 45,000 miles of complimentary maintenance from Toyota, so you gotta love that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and you have any other videos you want me to do, just please post below. Again, Bo here at Toyota. Thanks again for letting me show you this awesome 2021 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channels. I know I'm just a car salesman, but I like showing you guys these vehicles. You know, these help you get to and from work, where you need to go, pick up the kids. And they're safe, reliable. It's the best investment you can make. So you guys hit me up. Thanks again.